everyone, I'm Esther from Essy Cooks, and in this video I'm going to be showing you another healthy vegan meal prep. We are going to be making a Greek quinoa salad, so let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. We're going to start by cooking 2/3 cup of dry quinoa. Alright, so now we're going to be chopping up our veggies while the quinoa is cooking. So I'm going to start with 1 whole English cucumber, and I'm just going to cut that into nice little bite-sized pieces. Next up, I have half of a small red onion, so I'm just going to finely dice that up. We have a 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes, so I'm just going to cut those in half. Next, I have some pitted Kalamata olives, so I have 1/2 cup. I'm going to slice those in half as well. You don't have to slice these, but I just like to get a little bite of olive with every bite. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut those in half as well. All right, now for our Greek salad dressing here, we have 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We have 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. We have 1 clove of minced garlic. We have 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano. We have 1/4 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then we have salt. All right, I'm just gonna put the lid back on and give that a really good shake. Right now, a couple more things I have my cooked quinoa here, which has cooled. I have 1 19-ounce can of rinsed and drained chickpeas, and I have 1/3 cup of vegan feta. So now I'm just going to start assembling my bowls. So first I'm going to put in the quinoa. Now my cucumbers. Alright, now I actually like to dress these when I'm actually ready to eat them, so now I'm just going to put the lids on my containers and store these in the fridge. So these keep for up to 4 days in the fridge, so you have 4 total meals that are super healthy and nutritious, and of course we are going to taste test one of these and try them out. But first I'm just going to show you how I store these away. Now when I'm ready, I'm just gonna add 1/4 of that dressing on top. I'm gonna add that all into the bowl.
I gotta get a little bit of everything. I love the olives. That's nice. Fresh, crispy, delicious.
Wow.
And the olives, nice touch of salt.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, more healthy meal prep ideas, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.